In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for audience persona ideas fast and easy. If you're looking to understand your audience better and tailor your content or products to fit their needs, Google Trends is an invaluable tool. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Trends. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and simply searching for Google Trends. Once you've entered your search, look for the first link in the search results and click on it. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, where our exploration begins. Now, once you're on the Google Trends page, you'll want to click on the Explore option. This feature allows you to dive deep into the data and see what the world is searching for online. Exploration is key here, as it will unlock valuable insights into search behaviors. Next, think about the main product or content topic you want to learn more about. Enter your topic into the search bar. For instance, you might type in vegan recipes if you're interested in health food trends, or gaming laptops if you're targeting tech enthusiasts. This will give you an idea of who's searching for that specific topic and begin painting a picture of your audience. After entering your topic, hit the Enter key. This action will generate search data related to your topic, and it's where you'll start gathering valuable audience insights. To refine your insights further, apply filters based on your specific needs. You can adjust filters like location by selecting a particular region or country where you hope to target your audience. The time range can also be customized. For example, choosing the past 12 months will give you a broader overview, while selecting the past 30 days can highlight more recent trends. Categories relevant to your industry can focus your results even more, and you can choose between different search types, like web search or shopping, based on your campaign focus. As you scroll down the page, take note of Interest by Sub-Region. This section highlights which areas are most interested in your topic, indicating where your audience might be located geographically. Use this insight to decide where to focus localized content or advertising efforts. Continuing to scroll, you'll find the Related Topics section. Here you can uncover what other interests your audience might have. For example, if you're looking at vegan recipes, related topics might include plant-based diet or environmentalism. This can help you understand broader context around your audience's lifestyle and values. Finally, check out Related Queries. This provides exact phrases that users are searching within the context of your topic. Understanding these can reveal your audience's questions, challenges, and even the specific brands or influencers they favor. It's crucial for understanding the tone they prefer, whether more casual or formal, and how to engage with them effectively. By following these steps, you will have a well-rounded understanding of your audience, using Google Trends as your guide. With these insights, you can create more tailored and impactful content that resonates with your audience's needs and interests.